Hello and welcome to week one of CIS150 AB. So what we're going to be talking about in this video are the week one assignments. So first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure you have a copy of the schedule saved to your computer. There's either a PDF version of it and a Word version of it, and that can be found on the Canvas homepage. So if I go ahead and open up that class schedule for module number one, what you want to do is you want to complete the steps in the Start Here document. After you finish that off, you want to go ahead and read Chapter 1, which is an introduction to computers in Java. You want to go ahead and view all the Chapter 1 video notes on the companion website. So if I go ahead and open up the companion website, and from the home, you can just go ahead and click on video notes, and then all of the video notes are listed by chapter there. So you'll want to go ahead and watch the Chapter 1 Introduction to Computers in Java video notes. I just wanted to mention too that the Java FX applications and information that is in the textbook is optional. We're not going to be covering that in class, but if you want to go ahead and read it and watch the videos, feel free to go ahead and do so. So if we go back into the schedule, the other thing you'll want to do is view any supplemental videos and then review the Chapter 1 PowerPoints. As far as assignments are concerned, the Module 1 assignments are due September 10th. The three assignments are you want to post an introduction to the discussion board, and then there is a Chapter 1 programming assignment and debugging assignment. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back into Canvas. If we go ahead and click in Canvas, the PowerPoints can be found on the home page. You can just go ahead and click on the PowerPoints and bring up the PowerPoints related to each one of the chapters. And then what we're going to do next is we're just going to go ahead and click on modules. And up at the top of the Getting Started module is the first assignment, where I just want you to go ahead and post an introduction about yourself. You do not have to respond to anybody else's introduction. You can if you would like. And then if you go ahead and scroll on down to the Module 1, if you go ahead and click on the Module 1 videos, I've put together a video on how you would go ahead and submit an assignment. So that walks you through how you would go ahead and submit the first programming assignment after you've completed it. And then I've also put together a short little video on a Chapter 1 example program. If you go ahead and watch that video, that should help you with the assignment for Chapter 1 as far as the programming assignment is concerned. So if we click on modules again and go down to Module 1, I've posted a YouTube video on getting started with JGrasp, so that shows you how you can go ahead and start using JGrasp. If we click on the Chapter 1 programming assignment, what you're going to be doing for that programming assignment is you're going to write a Java program that displays a box, an oval, an arrow, and a diamond using asterisks. In order to complete this assignment, you just want to write a sequence of println statements that display lines of asterisks and blanks. You want to go ahead and name your class shapes and then upload the shapes.java file in this assignment link. And one of the things you want to make sure the class name and the file name are the same, and you want to include your name and ch1 underscore programming assignment in the top of your class that you create for this programming assignment. So if we go back into modules, go back into module number 1, the second assignment is a Chapter 1 debugging assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to correct the 5 syntax, runtime, or logic errors that are found in the simple1.java file, and you want to upload the corrected Java file here. The one thing you want to pay close attention to is for each one of the errors that you go ahead and correct, you want to make sure and include comments in your code where you specifically corrected that error. And the output of the correct file looks like the following. It's just basically a box. So if we go back into modules, you scroll on down, you click on the simple1.java file for debugging assignment. That is where you'll find the initial .java file. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and download that file, and that's the file you're going to be updating. And the other thing that I wanted to mention too, down below that file, is I've gone ahead and put together a video that actually walks you through how to complete the Chapter 1 debugging assignments. So if you follow this video, it'll show you the procedures that you should follow when you're completing all the debugging assignments. And it will show you how you can go ahead and notate the errors for each one of the errors that you find in that debugging assignment. So again, the Chapter 1 programming and debugging assignments are due on September 10th at 11:59 p.m. and the introduction is due at the same time. So that's all I had for this video. So good luck on the assignments, and we will talk to you next week.